Hello everyone, Ibite here. VLAN is Virtual Local Area Network in Chinese. A LAN can be a network of a few home computers, or an enterprise network of hundreds of computers. The LAN that VLAN refers to specifically means a network segmented by a router, that is, a broadcast domain. Some people may ask, what is a virtual local area network? Why divide VLANs? Let me give an example, which is easy to understand. If computer A wants to communicate with computer B, computer A needs to send an ARP request. As there are many computers in the network, eventually the ARP request will be forwarded to all computers in the same network to find computer B. In order to find computer B, the bandwidth of the entire network is consumed, and the computer receiving the broadcast information also consumes part of the CPU time to process it. It causes a lot of unnecessary consumption of network bandwidth and CPU computing power. It is like a school recruiting 1,000 new students at the same time in a class. If a teacher wants to find the information of a certain student, he has to find it from 1,000 pieces of information, which is time-consuming and labor-intensive. The implementation mechanism of VLAN is, divide the grade into many classes. Each class has dozens of students corresponding to different student numbers. Each class is equivalent to a VLAN. Each class name is equivalent to the name of the VLAN, and the number of each student is the IP address. Classmates, IPs of the same VLAN, can communicate with each other, and it is difficult for students in different classes to communicate. Therefore, the same VLAN can communicate with each other. If different VLANs are not configured, they cannot communicate with each other. Communication between VLANs requires single-arm routing and layer 3 switches. Isn't it easy to understand? You can also click it to follow us. See you in the next video.